Hi guys, this is my brand new Canon Wi-Fi certified IXUS 275 hours or 275 HS. It has 25mm wide by 12 zoom. It has DIGIC 4+. It's a 20.2 megapixels high sensitivity CMOS and has an LCD screen of 7.5 centimeters, which is around 3 inches, which is pretty good for this Canon camera. And the autofocus in it is pretty good. Comes with a CD for when you put it onto your laptop or your desktop or whatever you want to put it. It's in full HD. It's 180. It's black. I'll open it up now just to show you what it comes with. So we have Canon. I think that's your guarantee. You have another Canon for movies and things. Control connected, inspired. You have a Connect station that you can buy. Comes with a remote that connects with it as well for printing off your own pictures, if that's what you're into. Let's see. Oh yes, it has Wi-Fi as well. So basically you can use Wi-Fi on it to connect it to your TV and look at your photos before you want to print them off or do whatever you want to do. Handy thing to have. And this is just instructions and another instruction manual and just junk paper. That's just same again. And it comes here in this box, which here we have our battery, Canon battery, 3.6 volt, 800 megahertz, whatever that is. It's a Leon battery. This is our camera, Canon. Optical zoom 12, on off. Where do you put in the, oh here, see here at the end, flicks forward, open, battery, slots in there like so, clips in, little clip here. Yes, comes with this as well. We have an 8GB Fuji film, which would be tons. I mean, you get 8GB would give you about 8,000 photos. Not 8,000, but maybe 800, maybe more. There's just slots in there. Depends what quality of picture you're taking. Obviously, if it's 20 megabytes or 20.2 megapixels, it's very high resolution, so you more than likely the photo quality would use more of your data. So how do you turn it on? You power button here, and she's on, and she's, as you can see, it's all auto. You have smart shutter. It uses face detect. You have creative shot, which is just a touch of a button here. And you have hybrid, create and digest movies when shooting still images. So it's pretty good. The menu gives you a list of movies, slideshows, erase, protect, rotate, favorites, photo setup, contrast, red eye correction, cropping, resize, my colors, transition, obviously you fade, and scroll display, on and off, group image, auto rotate, resume, plus you have select image, select range, select all images, clear all selections, print settings, and then in your settings you mute, you can have it on or off, volume, hints and tips on, which gives you kind of, when you're taking photos, hints and tips on what you're, on the types of photos you're taking and the light or the zoom and stuff like that. You have your date and time in different formats, you have time zone, you have lens retraction, 1 minute for your exposure time or whatever you want to do. You have eco mode to obviously save power. You have power saving mode, and then you have LCD brightness for how bright you want to have your LCD screen. You have a startup image, you have format, which is on this 7.4 gigabytes. You have file numbering, you can have continuous or singular, whatever you want to do. You have create folder, you can create a folder on a daily basis for when you're taking your photos, or you can have it weekly, whichever preference you have. You have units, you can have it in centimeters, foot or inches. You have video system, which is NTSC and PAL, plus you have your Wi-Fi settings. You have mobile device connect button, and you have certification logo display. Plus there's language in English and probably 30 or 40 other different languages, but it's all there. And then you have reset all, so whatever you set it to yourself, you can put it back to its original way it was. Plus you have a kind of a phone button here, if you can see it there. You press that and it searches automatically for a Wi-Fi that you can, so you can send your photos directly to your phone if that's what you feel like doing. So that's the phone itself. It's a nice looking phone, has a lovely zoom on it. As you can see, she zooms out. She has a pretty long zoom. She zooms up to 24 actually, which is quite a long distance for the size of phone it is, so it's pretty powerful. Plus you have your lead for plugging into your Canon charger, which basically back down here. You can take out your battery here and it just slots in here like so. Take it back out, slots in, this slots in here, and you just plug it in and off you go, and she charges. The charge is here, and when it's fully charged, green light comes on here, so you have a red and green. Red charging, green is when it's finished. And